So in Google Drive, if you want to create your own folder, you can click on an empty space, right click and click on new folder. And there you go. You can name your folder right here. I'm just going to name mine TutorTube and click on create. Or you can go over here onto my drive and click on new folder or new and click on folder. If you want to create subfolders, then you can go inside the folder that you want to create a subfolder in and do the same. Right click, click on new folder right here. And let's say I'm going to type in Google Drive tutorial just like this. And I'm going to click on create. I can also go over here and then drag the folder. So over here I got convert. I can keep the folder, drag it on inside another folder like this. And just like that, I have another folder within. I can also go over here and change the folder color. So if you want to color code your folders to show importance, you can right click on it and then click on change color. You can choose from various colors right here. Let's say, for example, for TutorTube, I'm going to select something like orange right here. For automatic convert right here, I'm going to change the color into green right here. And then let's say, for example, for new folder, I'm going to create green again. So let's say the greens are for the casual works, while the orange is for the serious ones. So you can simply change the color to make out, to color code your projects just like that in Google Drive as well, so that it's easier to manage out. And that is how you can work with folders, subfolders, and folder color inside of Google Drive. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.